This video explains how to create a survey to research a specific topic and collect its results easily. To create a new survey, select this in the Quick Actions panel, or navigate to Surveys in the menu and then select New Survey. Survey Wizard will guide you through the whole creation process. Enter the name and optionally a description. Here, you can input survey instructions. You can enter the label for additional classification. To upload the survey, download our predefined Excel template, fill it out, and upload it here. In Settings, you may decide if participants will see the report immediately or after the manager approves it, report content and lifespan. Further, you can enable an option that automatically logs out the user upon completing the survey, require personal information update, or allow participants to pause and continue the survey later. If you enable browser lockdown, users won't be able to copy, save, or print anything from the screen during the survey-taking process, and a full screen mode will be required. In the third step, you can either create a new question or import it from different pools. You can import only a few or all questions from each survey pool. Randomize the order of questions or the answers. You can change the order and edit, preview, or remove questions. In the fourth step, choose the appropriate grading scale for your survey. After the review, you can finish the Survey Wizard and create a survey session to make it available for candidates. Enter a session name, location, time zone, and save. Assign candidates here. Let's now log in as a student to present the candidate's perspective. Go to Assignments and then My Surveys. Here you can find our survey. Acknowledge the instructions and answer the questions. Upon finishing, a student may be presented with a survey score, grade, question pool details, and much more information.